What is up YouTube? Welcome back, it's Buddy Technoboy, and this is an Honor Light phone which you have seen in many videos before, and today I'm going to tell you a short story about this phone. So few days back I was walking in the garden outside, and this phone was in my pocket, in my shorts pocket, which was not so deep, and I was working, so getting down to the ground and getting up. I don't know when it happened, but suddenly it came out of my pocket and fell down in a bucket full of water. So can you imagine that, a 16 or 17 or 18-inch height of bucket full of water, and it fell into that water. So the funny thing is, I didn't even see that at the first moment. After a few seconds or maybe a minute, I just looked at my bucket and saw this phone was lying at the bottom of the bucket under the water, and I was like shocked. What is that, my phone inside the water? I was like shocked. What? And then I just got back my senses in a few seconds, and I immediately took this mobile phone out of the water. So now the question is, why I'm telling you this story. uh, did this phone die? No, it's working perfectly, you can see that. Now the important part is, this phone fell into the water. That is not the important part. The important part is, after that, what I did to make it work again. So first of all, let me tell you that this phone is not going to be damaged. It fell into the water for a few seconds, or if you immediately pick it up, so probably nothing is going to happen. But what you need to do when any of your mobile phone, any brand, anything fell into the water, so there is a myth about that if you keep the mobile phone into uncooked rice, then the rice can soak the water from it. So does that work? Yes, it does. Now let me tell you the process step by step, and if that happens to you accidentally, you just do that, and I'm sure that is going to work again, your phone. So first of all, when accidentally falls into the water, immediately you pick it up, you take it out of the water, and wipe the mobile phone with a soft dry cloth, and then you shake it like this, so all the holes are there. At the bottom you can see the charging port, 3.5mm jack, speaker port. There must be some water drop inside of this port, and the oil will come out, so shake it, but hold it tight, and then after that switch it off and don't turn it on until you do the next step. So now next step is, you just keep this mobile phone into a bowl full of uncooked rice, and you keep it inside of it. You just put some rice into the bowl and keep the mobile phone on it, then put more rice to cover it up. And what you need to do, you just cannot keep the mobile phone into the rice and take it out after a few hours and I hope it's going to work perfectly. It's not going to work like that. Well, what you need to do is, you need to keep this mobile phone into the uncooked rice for at least 48 hours. Yeah, 48 hours, like 2 days completely. You can keep it a few more hours, but not less. That is not going to work probably. So now what does the rice do? The rice suck the moisture from this phone, so it will dry out the inside, all the circuitry will dry out, and what you need to do is, you need to keep this thing, the rice and this mobile phone, in a airtight container. So let me show you one, just like this. It's a airtight container. So why do you need airtight container? Because the air contains the moisture, and if there is more air, you keep it open, it will suck the moisture from the air but less from the mobile phone. So keep it in a airtight container, so it will suck most of the moisture from the mobile phone. And after 48 hours, just take it out the mobile and wipe it out again clean, and then you can turn it on. It is gonna work. It worked for me, so it's gonna work with any mobile, I guess. And yeah, you're just not gonna do that to prove me wrong or to try this to put your mobile in the water. No, you're not gonna do that. This is a process to help you out when you accidentally fell your mobile into the water or when it happens accidentally. So that's it. Hope this video helps you, and if it does, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.